SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. SLP faces opposition at $0.003, or so they truly thought. Smooth love mixture truly is as of now esteemed at $0.003 backing for the in every practical sense. Bears especially has been laid out at $0.003 25 November 2023. In this video we will large walk you through certainly smooth love elixir cost examination for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for sort of smooth love mixture, by and large, is SLP a wise speculation, which sort of is genuinely huge. Smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels and so forth, which certainly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping certainly profound into the SLP specialized investigation, by and large let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, which really is genuinely critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583. The complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $46,102,746,854 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of large manner. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, which all things considered is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span, or so they in a real sense thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere around 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market essentially is going in an especially descending heading for genuinely present moment, which fundamentally shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,433,698,568,583 in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, an exceptionally broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. Smooth love elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path and in every practical sense, enormous way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become all the more genuinely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of additional appearance, how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants generally move fundamentally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the really complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $46,102,746,854 in a significant manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally smooth love elixir, SLP, sort of smooth love mixture execution, the very day-to-day graph of in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture basically shows that the SLP cost basically has an especially descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in essentially beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. The value worth of the genuinely smooth love elixir, SLP, coin for the most part is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume by and large is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of shows that Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in every practical sense. Huge way. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 25 November 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period, sort of made sense of beneath, showing how the value worth of the exceptionally smooth love elixir (SLP) coin explicitly is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to explicitly break down the future development of the especially smooth love elixir, which essentially shows that the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $46,102,746,854 in every practical sense, enormous way. The by and large relative strength file, RSI, shows that the SLP coin fundamentally is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 34, so SLP especially faces obstruction at $0.003, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, which truly shows that the value worth of the sort of smooth love mixture (SLP) coin generally is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in a kind of significant manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to, in every practical sense, sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outline, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very critical. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer essentially is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, pretty sign sort of is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly